Go ahead.
Roll the puppy dough. Roll the puppy dough. He just wants to do it. He's getting kind of pissed now. Okay. Here, stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Hey. Come on. Come on. Hey. Hey.
Did your mom leave the water on?
Huh? Yeah. Hey. No.
Oh my god. Look at him.
Let's spray him with the hose.
Dude, he'd probably love the hose.
I'll see if he'll drink it.
Oh, he's got one of those puppies that attacks him. I am.